You've been told that real wealth protection is complex, expensive, and hidden behind stacks of confusing financial jargon. You've heard about cash value and investment components that cost a fortune and sound like rocket science. That's the lie the industry wants you to believe. Here is the secret. The simplest, cheapest financial tool is also the single most effective way to secure a $1 million future for your family. It's called term life insurance, and it's so straightforward, it feels illegal. Today, we are breaking down the one policy that lets you rent protection, like an apartment, so you can buy a massive death benefit for the price of one latte a week. If you need maximum coverage, minimal stress, and a guarantee that your mortgage is covered, you need this video. Stop paying for complexity and start protecting your family efficiently. This is your financial breath of fresh air. So what exactly is term life insurance? Imagine you're renting an apartment. You pay a monthly fee to the landlord, and in return, you get a place to live for the duration of your lease, say 1 year. If you move out at the end of the year, you get nothing back. The arrangement is over. Term life insurance works on a very similar principle. You're essentially renting pure financial protection for a specific predefined period or term. You pay an annual or monthly premium to the insurance company. In return, they promise to pay a tax-free death benefit to your beneficiaries if you pass away during that term. If you live to the end of the term, the policy simply expires. There's no payout, and there's no value to cash out. It is pure, straightforward protection and nothing else. This leads to the most important question. Why would you choose a policy that has no payout if you win and outlive it? The answer lies in its purpose. Term life is not designed to be a savings account or an investment. It is designed to solve a temporary but massive financial problem. Think about the years when your financial obligations are at their absolute peak. These are your high-risk years. You have a massive 30-year mortgage. You have young children who are completely dependent on your income for the next 20-plus years. You have car loans, credit card debt, and you're saving for college. If something were to happen to you during this period, the financial impact on your family would be catastrophic. Term life insurance exists to cover that specific high-risk window of your life. It's a financial safety net for your most vulnerable decades. Once that period is over, once the mortgage is paid, the kids are financially independent, and you've built up your own retirement savings, the need for that massive income-replacing death benefit dramatically decreases. The policy has served its purpose. Now let's break down the key features that make term life so unique. First, its affordability. Term life is, by a very wide margin, the most cost-effective way to purchase a large death benefit. Because there's a high likelihood the policy will expire without a payout, the risk to the insurance company is lower, and that translates into much lower premiums for you. For the price of a few cups of coffee a month, a healthy 30-year-old can often secure $1 million of coverage for 20 or 30 years. This low cost is what makes it possible for young families to get the substantial protection they truly need without breaking the bank. Second, you have the term length. This is the duration of your coverage, and it's critical choice. Common term lengths are 10, 15, 20, and 30 years. Your goal is to match the term length to your longest financial obligation. If you just took out a 30-year mortgage, a 30-year term policy aligns perfectly with that debt. If you have a newborn, a 20-year term would see them through to adulthood. Choosing the right term is a strategic decision. Don't just pick the shortest term because it's the cheapest. Ensure it covers your entire period of financial vulnerability. Third, let's talk about the death benefit. This is the lump sum, tax-free amount that gets paid out to your beneficiaries. It's crucial to understand that this money is for them to use as they see fit. There are no restrictions. They can use it to pay off the entire mortgage, eliminating the largest monthly bill. They can invest it to generate a stream of replacement income for years. They can fund college tuition, cover daily living expenses, or pay off all remaining debts. The power of the death benefit is that it provides liquidity and choice during the most difficult time imaginable. Finally, we have the concept of renewability and convertibility. These are two powerful riders or add-ons that can come with the term policy. Renewability gives you the right to renew your policy at the end of the term without having to prove you are still healthy. The catch? The premium will be recalculated for your current, much older age, making it significantly more expensive. Convertibility is arguably the more valuable feature. It gives you the right to convert your term policy into a permanent one, like a whole life insurance policy, without a medical exam. This is a fantastic safety net. If you buy a 20-year term policy at age 30 and at age 45 you are diagnosed with a serious health condition that would make you uninsurable, your convertibility rider allows you to lock in lifelong coverage regardless. It's an option to keep in your back pocket. So, who is term life insurance for? It's the perfect tool for the vast majority of people. It's for young families who need maximum protection on a tight budget. It's for couples with a mortgage and other shared debts. It's for business partners who want to fund a buy-sell agreement. In short, it's for anyone with a large temporary financial need. To wrap it all up, think of term life insurance not as a complex financial product, but as a straightforward strategic tool. It's the most efficient way to build a financial fortress around your family during the years they need it the most. It provides immense peace of mind at a remarkably low cost, ensuring that your family's dreams and security remain intact no matter what life brings. Subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos.